Whether you're looking to add electronic tools to your business or increase your knowledge of our electronic application process, this training video is perfect for you. Using Illinois Mutual's electronic application can help ensure submission of a more complete application. No more missed checkboxes or signature lines. The design of our application ensures that all required forms are completed prior to submission, resulting in a smoother underwriting process for both you and your client. If you are licensed to write business in multiple states, our online application system can be invaluable to you and your business, allowing you to take an application while speaking with your client over the phone and send it to them for signatures via a secure link. In this video, we will demonstrate completing a DI application. The same process is used for life insurance applications with some minor differences. First, log into the agent portal from Illinois Mutual's homepage. To begin an application, you'll click the Illustrations and Applications dropdown along the left side of the page and select Illustrations and Applications. You can start the application by clicking Create Application on the left side, or you can choose an existing illustration to start. For today's demonstration purposes, I'm using an illustration that has been completed. Simply click on the illustration to open it. Check to make sure you've got all the options you wish. Then click the Action button on the top right side of the screen. You'll choose the application option from the list. Confirm the application type and then click the Create button. A new tab will appear with your application. Notice on the left side of the screen the application percentage complete bar to help you keep track of your progress. Move forward through the application, completing all the required fields, which are marked with a red asterisk. On the product selection screen, you can adjust the plan your client chose. If you make any adjustments, click the Maximum Benefits button to recalculate the benefits they're eligible for. You can also add or remove riders as you need. As you complete each section of the application, look for the Continue button on the lower right side of the screen to move forward to the next section. After you complete the billing and payment information, you'll be asked if you wish to continue to complete the medical questions. Select Yes. Nearly all questions in the Part B section of the application have additional drill-down questions if answered yes. This allows us to drive toward the answers we need to fully complete the underwriting process with the details you and your client provide. Be sure to discuss this with your client ahead of your meeting with them so they can be prepared with the type of information they will need to provide. Let them know that we will be asking for contact information for doctors that they have seen, what types of medications they are taking, treatments and tests for past medical conditions, as well as dates and details of diagnoses. In some situations, it is difficult to remember all those details if they are not prepared to discuss it. Our application provides lists of medications and test options, which can make it easier for you and your client. Once Yes is selected, a screen will appear for you to input the additional details. It's best to provide as many details as you can up front in the application process. This helps our underwriters gain a full picture of your client's medical history and helps us to make an underwriting decision quicker. Once all information is input, click OK on the top right to continue back to the application. Once you complete Part B, you'll have the opportunity to review any supplemental forms that are needed based on the application completion. Once you're at the Complete Application section, you're almost done. This screen will inform you of any required information that you missed along the way. Simply click on the headings of each item noted on the screen. This will take you to the screen and highlight any missing fields. Fill in the information and then click Complete Application in the left menu to return and complete the next field. This will keep you from having to search through each page of the application to find what is missing. You'll see the message that states all required fields have been completed. Next, click the Continue button. You and your client will both be required to review the completed forms before proceeding with the application further. Click the buttons to review the filled PDF application and required forms. Click Continue to move on to the signature options. We have two signature methods available. You and your client can sign by using the computer mouse, your finger, or a stylus if you have a touchscreen computer. If your client is not in person with you during completion, you can email or text a request to them for signature. For this demo, we'll use the mouse finger stylus signature option. Make sure you click Apply My Signature after the client's signature is input. You'll receive a message letting you know that the signature has been successfully applied. If your client didn't capture the signature the way they wanted, There is a clear button located just below for your convenience so that they can start over. Next, you'll move to the Agent Report section. You can add any comments or details in this box that you want to send along with the application. You'll then review the advisor forms by opening each of the PDFs before you proceed. If you have any documents that you need to submit to the home office along with the application, you can upload them now. Click Continue to move to the agent's signatures, which you'll find familiar as the process is the same as collecting the client's signature. Once ready, click Submit, and that's it. Your client's policy application is on its way to Illinois Mutual. If you find that you have any questions for us, please reach out to our sales team. We are happy to assist you every step of the way.